Have you heard about Google's recent earnings report? Wondering what it means for the tech giant and the broader market? Well, there's a lot to unpack. Google's parent company, Alphabet, is soaring towards a record $2 trillion valuation thanks to a strong first-quarter earnings report. The primary fuel for this ascent? The robust performance of Search, YouTube and Cloud. So let's dive into the specifics of this earnings report and see what it tells us about Google's performance and future prospects. On the day of the announcement, Google's parent company Alphabet saw a surge in its stock price. The reason? Alphabet had just reported their best ever quarterly profit, exceeding analyst expectations. This strong performance was largely driven by Search, YouTube and Cloud services, with revenue growth from $100 billion to over $300 billion in just 6 years. This is no small feat, considering that YouTube and Cloud are expected to exit 2024 at a combined annual run rate of over $100 billion. Alphabet's dedication to AI research and infrastructure, along with the introduction of the enhanced Gemini 1.5 Pro, have played significant roles in this success story. But the good news doesn't stop there. For the first time in its history, Alphabet announced a cash dividend, reflecting the company's maturity and strong financial health. At the same time, the company managed to reduce its headcount, yet its profitability soared. A strong quarter indeed, but what do the numbers really tell us about Google's performance and its position in the market? To truly understand the impact of these earnings, we need to dig a little deeper into the numbers. First off, we see a strong performance from Search, YouTube and Cloud. The revenue growth is impressive, jumping from $100 billion to over $300 billion in just 6 years. This rapid growth is expected to continue, with YouTube and Cloud projected to exit 2024 at a combined annual run rate of over $100 billion. Additionally, Google's leadership in AI research and infrastructure stands out. The company has made significant advancements in AI models and efficiency, as evidenced by the introduction of Gemini 1.5 Pro, which brings considerable performance enhancements. Developers and enterprise customers have shown high adoption and enthusiasm for Gemini and other AI models, further solidifying Google's position in the AI landscape. Now let's talk about the challenges. Despite the impressive figures, Google experienced a 1% year-on-year decline in network revenues. This is a concern, as is the impact of lapping strong APAC-based retailer spend and the negative year-on-year growth experienced in the first quarter of 2023 for YouTube. Another hurdle lies in cloud adoption. Despite Google's efforts, there are still challenges due to switching costs for customers. This is a critical area that Google needs to address if it wants to maintain its growth trajectory in the cloud space. The uncertainty around the monetization of smartphone-based AI searches that are rendered on the device is another area of concern. As more and more searches are performed directly on devices, figuring out how to monetize these searches will be crucial for Google's future revenue streams. Despite these challenges, the overall picture painted by the earnings report is one of a tech giant that continues to dominate and innovate. With its clear paths to AI monetization through ads, cloud and subscriptions, and over 1,000 new products and features announced in cloud, Google is well positioned to continue its growth and maintain its leadership in the tech industry. So, what are the key takeaways from Google's Q1 2024 earnings report? The company has shown a robust financial performance with significant growth in key sectors such as Search, YouTube and Cloud. Google's commitment to AI research and infrastructure is evident, with the introduction of the enhanced Gemini 1.5 Pro and increased capital expenditures indicating a clear path to AI monetization. Despite facing challenges such as the moderation of expense growth and uncertainties in cloud adoption, Google has demonstrated its resilience and capacity for innovation. While there are challenges ahead, Google's recent earnings report is a testament to its resilience and capacity for innovation. It's certainly a company to watch in the coming months.